Hey team, today I'm going to show you how to reuse your barbecue leftovers. We've got some smoked pulled lamb, which we're going to turn into tacos. And just to show you how simple it is, I'm going to get the kids to do it. So last week I smoked a lamb shoulder, I pulled it, and then I popped it in a vacuum sealed bag and put it into the freezer. Last night I took it out and we've just simmered it and brought it back up to temperature in a pot of simmering water. And now it's time to assemble them.
Yeah!
And now the fun begins. Nothing else? What about some cheese? See how easy that is? I think it's time to dig in.